Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UVXY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we'll talk about areas of resistance. First key level of support, and this is definitely would be the one where if it can hold would make the chart look the strongest, and that's right there at $8.70. If you go back through the history today, you can see several times the bears try to press down through it, but the price did do a good job of holding right above that area. So keep an eye on that. Now, if the price falls below that, I'm not saying the entire chart's broken or anything, but that would certainly be, the biggest sign of power going forward. In the event 870 does not hold, the next key level to keep an eye on would be this gap close area right down here around $8.45. And then also keep an eye on that purple line there, which is that 50-period simple moving average. But preferably speaking, yeah, stay up above 870. But if 870 doesn't hold, then it wouldn't be too shocking at all to see the price go down there and close that gap right around the 845 mark. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, about as straightforward as it gets, especially if you have just even a basic understanding of charts. And I say that because you can see right up there that pink line is exactly what rejected it, and that pink line is the 200-period simple moving average. So like I said, even if you have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period, and you know that when the price is below it, it does tend to act as resistance. So I'm not saying it can't be broken above or anything like that. It wasn't shocking to see the price get rejected from that area. So that'll certainly be key resistance going into next week. But yeah, we'll see how the volatility stuff continues to shake out as next week unfolds. But some movement here. Let's see if there's any sort of true strength behind it. And if there is some true strength behind it, then the price is going to be able to start to build some higher bases on these levels of support. So let's see what next week brings. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.